Hey, little artists! Are you ready to turn simple shapes into super cute things? Let's have some fun drawing and coloring together. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Grab your markers and let's get started. Let's begin by drawing a circle. What can we turn this circle into? A yummy donut. Draw a smaller circle inside the big one. And now let's add some sprinkles on top. Looks delicious.
Wow!
Next, draw a half circle. Can you guess what this will be? That's right, an umbrella. Add a handle below, and let's give it some fun, curvy lines at the bottom.
Cool!
Now, let's draw a triangle shape. We can turn this into a sail for a boat. Draw a rectangle underneath for the boat's body. Our little boat is ready to sail.
Awesome!
Let's move on to a diamond shape. What could this be? Yes, a kite.
Wow!
Draw a string and add a cute little tail at the end.
Cool!
Next, draw a rectangle shape. What if we add a triangle on top? It becomes a house. Don't forget to add a door so we can go inside.
Awesome!
Finally, let's draw a heart shape. We can turn this into a leaf by adding a line down the middle and some little veins. So pretty!
Wow!
Whoa! Look at all these cute things we made from simple shapes. Now it's time to bring our shapes to life with some colors. Here are our color pens. Let's start coloring and say the colors together. Cream color. Pink color. Brown color.
Wow!
Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
Cool!
Yellow color. Indigo color.
Awesome!
Maroon color. Ocean blue. Brown color. Olive color.
Wow!
Red color. Blue color. Sea green color.
Cool!
Bottle green color. Green color.
Awesome!
Fantastic job, little artists! Your shapes look amazing with all those colors. You did an incredible job today, turning simple shapes into cute things. Keep practicing and have fun drawing. Don't forget to share your creations with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.